So hey guys, we're gonna be doing a fidget spinner battle. This is our fidget spinner. I got a blue one and he has a green one.
And there's the other one for my red. That's my other one.
And one time I had a light up one. And it was super cool. It's better than this, but this is way faster than it.
Yeah.
And when you spin it, it looks like it has holes in it. So we're gonna be spinning our fidget spinners, but his spins his isn't working. So he's still spinning it. It will spin, but not that fast like this. Look.
Only the red one. The red one's fast.
Yeah. So let's spin our fidget spinners.
Wait, stop. Wait. I want the other one. The red one. The fidget spinner. I can't bring it back. You have to bring it back.
Okay, so let's start spinning it.
Hiya!
Ooh, look at this shit. Oh! I like to spin it on my knee.
I'm spinning on my foot.
Oh!
I'll do the bottom feet. Or my head. I can bounce it.
Oh!
Watch me do it.
Okay, watch this.
I can bounce. Whoa!
Oh! I'm gonna try to spin it, then pass it to my other hand. Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh! Oh! You can't see me. Look, guys. If you spin it fast and look closely, you're gonna see something. So look. So bye guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, and comment down below who fidget spinner is better, Ryan's or Abraham's.
And vote for us.
And my goal, our goal is 200,000 likes. So bye guys.
See us in Facebook or Twitter.